News is something that is about the structure. Okay, the difference between this I am going to or I am starting is something that apparently seems to us that this is a present continuous, but this is but apparently it seems to us like this is present continuous, but the meaning which is conveyed to us is in the future form. Like she gave us the example. I'm repeating again. Like I am going to meet my friends. So this situation is something I am going to meet my friend. This is also in the continuous form, but this is giving us the sense that this is an intention, and you are not sure when and how we are going to meet, when and how I am going to meet my friend. ठीक है, इसमें अनश्योरिटी है, अनसर्टेनिटी है, एक गैर यकीनी सी सिचुएशन है. ठीक है, बट आप जब कहते हैं ना आई एम मीटिंग माई फ्रेंड दिस वीकेंड, तो उसमें आपके पास एक कंफर्मेशन है, एक सर्टेनिटी है, यकीनी बात है दैट आई एम मीटिंग माई फ्रेंड, एक डिसाइडेड प्लान है. ठीक है, बट आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस, आई एम गोइंग टू वॉच दिस. सो एक इंटेंशन है, इंटेंशन आपकी चेंज भी हो सकती है. ठीक है, होता है ना, हमारी नॉर्मली इंटेंशन होती है कि चलो आज किसी रिलेटिव्स के घर चले जाते हैं. ठीक है, ये आपकी इंटेंशन होती है, लेकिन फिर आप सोचते हैं जाएं या ना जाएं. ये आपकी इंटेंशन है, एक अनसर्टेनिटी सिचुएशन है जब तक वो आप कर नहीं लेते हैं. ठीक है, बट इफ देयर इज a wedding ceremony within your in any your relatives. ठीक है, तो जाहिर बात है आपने जाना है. ठीक है, I am attending a marriage ceremony in my family this weekend. I am attending. ठीक है, I am attending means to say it's confirmed you are going to you will attend. But when you will say I'm going to attend this, so this means this is your intention and you are sure and you are not sure. So ये एक difference है between be going to and आप जब use करते हैं I am visiting, I am going to visit. Like this is given within your book. मुझे एक example नजर आ गई है book के अंदर भी. I am going to visit my friend at the weekend. So this is an intention. ठीक है, I am visiting my friend at the weekend. This is a state of certainty. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue. यहाँ पे एक pictures भी हमें दी गई है book के अंदर. Like a person is having a ladder in his hand and a girl or an auntie is also standing there, and a person is doing, I think the cat is stuck on the roof. बिल्ली फंस गई है छत पे. I'm going to climb up and have a look. Be careful, David. ठीक है, अब ये intention है उसमें जिसने उसने be going to भी use किया है. And oh, I'm going to fall. ठीक है, and this is also something that he is predicting on the state on this the second जो situation है वो एक prediction हो रही है जिसमें वो कह रहे I'm on the basis of situation. ठीक है, on the basis of situation that person is saying that I'm going to fall. Definitely वो जो ladder है वो unstable है. That's why that person is saying that I'm going to. Or so prediction and instant decision also have difference between. Also having a difference between them, predictions and intentions. Let's consider the exercise given on the page number 61. Look at the pictures and say what is going to happen. You're going to use these verbs answer, catch, have, hit, and write. These are some of the verbs, and objects are also given here. Use these objects: the ball, a bath, a bus, the firework, the phone. Okay, the first one. What that person is going to do? He is having a matchbox in his hand, and what he is going to do? Okay, raise your hands and then you are going to speak. Raise your hands and then you are going to speak. I will decide. Marwa?
That firework.
He is going to light the fire. Exactly. So, on the basis of situation, we can say that the prediction हो रही है that person is going to do. Intention होती है जो आप खुद अपने दिल में करते हैं, मुझे ये करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. Prediction आप दूसरों के बारे में भी करते हैं. ठीक है. जी, the second picture is she is a girl and perhaps she is playing golf. ठीक है, And what she is going to do, Swanati?
She is going to hit the ball.
Exactly, she is going to hit the ball. On the third picture, a boy and a girl are standing on the bus stop. We can clearly see the bus stop, the sign of bus stop here, and what they are going to do. Why they are standing at the bus stop? Kamu, Zara?
They are going to catch a bus.
They are going to catch a bus, exactly. और इतने बड़े-बड़े इन्होंने अपने हाथ में गिटार पकड़े हुए हैं. Okay, the girl is having a bath. We can see the shower, and she is, and we can also see the phone within this picture. Maria Ali, what she is going to do?
Ma'am, she is going to answer the phone.
She is going to answer the phone. Okay, so the comes to what's the second exercise given over here? Put in the verbs be going to, and this is some sort of conversation perhaps. Exactly. So Laura, what are you doing with this camera? Was having a camera. In her hand, travel. I am going to take it to the work. So it means to say हमें इन्होंने यहाँ पे कुछ words दिए हैं जिनकी help base पे या जिनकी base पे हम अपनी स्टेटमेंट को क्रिएट करेंगे, अपना एक बी गोइंग टू का वर्ब अपना फ्यूचर यूज करेंगे. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट टू द वर्क. व्हाट विल कम नेक्स्ट? बाय रेजिंग योर हैंड यू विल आंसर मी. Aruj, I and you are going to use these words to create this future tense.
Okay, ma'am.
Aruj,
I'm going to lend.
I'm going to lend it to Phil. What will come next, Razia? Razia?
जी मैम. Ma'am, he is going
What will
to
come
take.
next?
Ma'am, he is going to take.
He is going to take a few photos with it. Laura, why can't he buy his own camera? Trevor, he has got one, but it is not working properly. Hafiza, Muzamil, what will come next?
Yes, ma'am. It is going to be.
It is going to be a while before he can get it repaired. Laura, well, how long? This is in a question form. Amber,
Is he going to keep?
is he going to keep hours? When? Amen.
Are we going to get?
When are we going to get it back? Trevor, Swib, what will come next?
He is going to have.
He is going to have it over the weekend. Good. Noorul Huda,
We are going to get.
we are going to get it back on Monday. Laura, well, I hope. Inamullah,
Yes, ma'am.
what will come next?
It is not going to get.
It is not going to get damaged. Okay, there's a third one regarding the predictions. You are going to, on the basis of certain situations, you are going to answer these questions. This is an assignment. Take this one. आप एज एन असाइनमेंट इसको करेंगे. जैसे पहले मैंने लास्ट पेज पे आप लोगों को दी है. कम टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पेज ऑन द पेज नंबर 62. And Aisha is going to present on this one the difference between will and be going to.
Ma'am, will you allow me screen sharing?
Yes, I have already